Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my friend. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. This topic Shopify. Shopify introduction. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows individual and business to create online stores and sell products to customers around the world. Here's a comprehensive introduction to Shopify. What is Shopify? Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that provides business with a range of tools and service to design, set up and manage their online stores. Key features: online store. Create a professional online store with a customizable website and mobile app. Product management. Manage product inventory and orders from a single dashboard. Payment gateway. Integrate with various payment gateway such as PayPal, Visa and MasterCard. Shipping integration. Connect with shipping providers like USPS, UPS and fulfillment. Marketing and promotion. Utilize built in marketing tools such as discounts, gifts, cards, and email marketing. Analytics and reporting. Track sales, customer behavior, and performance metrics with detailed analytics and reports. App Store. Access a waste app store with integration with popular services like Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon. Benefits: easy to use, user friendly interface and drag and drop website builder. Customizable, personalized your store's design and functionality with various themes and apps. Scalable, grow your business with Shopify, flexible and reliable infrastructure, secure, level 1 PCI compliance and SSL encryption ensure secure transaction. Support 24/7 customer support via phone, email and chat. Pricing plans: basic Shopify 29-month online store payment. Processing and shipping integration. Shopify $79 month add gift cards and reporting and third party shipping rates. Advanced Shopify $299 month adds advanced report building, API access and third party calculated shipping rates. Shopify offer 14-day free trial allowing you to test the platform before committing to a paid plan. Do you have specific question about Shopify or want to know more about getting started? Feel free to ask. Shopify complete course. Complete CMPL complete course. The next Shopify complete course. Here is the comprehensive outline for a complete Shopify course. Module 1: Introduction to Shopify. Overview of Shopify and its features. Benefits for using Shopify. Setting up a Shopify account. Module: Setting up your store, choosing a domain name and setting up a DNS. Selecting a theme and customizing your store design. Setting up payment and shipping option. Module 3: Product management. Creating and managing products. Product variation and option, inventory management and tracking. Module 4: Order management, processing and fulfilling orders. managing order status and tracking, handling refunds and cancellation, model of 5, marketing and promotion, creating and managing discount and promotion, setting up and managing email marketing campaign, using social media to drive sales, and module 6, analytics and reporting. Understanding Shopify analytics and reporting features, tracking sales and customer behavior, using the data to optimize your store's performance. Module 7, app and integration, overview of Shopify App Store, installing and configuring apps, integrating third-party service with Shopify. Module 8, advanced Shopify feature, using Shopify API and developer tools, creating custom themes and app, advanced shipping and fulfillment option. Module 9, optimize and scaling your store, optimizing your store performance and speed, scaling your store for growth, advanced security and fraud prevention measures. Module 10, launching and growing your store, launching your store and attracting customer, growing your store through marketing and promotion, advanced strategies for increasing sales and revenue. This course outlines our all aspects of Shopify, from setting up your store to advanced feature and optimization techniques. Create an account Shopify. With this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.